So Siddhant, we are live now. You can begin the session.
Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to the inauguration ceremony. So I hope you are all well and like healthy. Okay. So I guess we can start now. Okay. Welcome all to the inaugural ceremony of 2021. It is our immense pleasure to host you here at IIT Roorkee and be a proud part of the team which is hosting Asia's largest technical festival.
I would now like to welcome Professor Ajit Kumar Chaturvedi, Director IIT Roorkee, Dean of Student Welfare, Professor Anil Kumar Gaurishetty, Associate Dean of Student Welfare, and Aditya Singh Rathod, Overall Coordinator of Cognizance 2021.
So, what is cognizance? The word cognizance means knowledge or awareness. Cognizance celebrates this sharing of knowledge aimed at nurturing thoughts and providing a podium for raw ideas to echo. Our aim didn't let us try back even in this pandemic and motivated us to bring up another edition. Cognizance 2021 is all set to embark on its remarkable journey for the first time in a virtual mode.
Cognizance unravels its plethora of exciting events, workshops, exhibitions, and much more to make your experience of this technical extravaganza with the complexities of science and technology through small steps. We didn't let the pandemic shatter our nation's young spirits and tried our best to provide free, accessible, and relevant material to all by leading platforms.
So in this regard, we would like to invite Aditya Singh Rathore, the overall coordinator of Cognizance 2021, to enlighten us more about this technical fest.
Hi everyone. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, very good afternoon to everyone present here. On behalf of the entire team of Cognizance 21, I would like to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of the 19th edition of the annual Technical Fest of IIT Roorkee. I extend my warm greetings to the chief guest of the ceremony, Honorable Director of IIT Roorkee, Professor Ajit Kumar Chaturvedi, Associate Dean of Students Welfare, Student Affairs, Professor Anil Kumar Gaurishetty, and all other dignitaries present here to grace the event. The global COVID-19 pandemic has put the world on pause, from facing new challenges every day to discovering new opportunities. The pandemic has taught us how to live life in different ways. It has almost been a year now since the 2020 edition of Cognizance was called off. It's never easy to see the efforts you put on a dream persisting in the eyes of so many individuals go in. Well, that was a heart-wrenching moment for all of us. But as rightly said, just change the ways you look around the world, and the world around you changes. The COVID pandemic has made us realize that dreams have no horizons. You just have to expand your boundaries. Since last 1 year, technology has played a significant role in connecting the people back together when the pandemic pushed us apart, albeit virtually. The theme for this edition, Elusive Realities, emphasizes the same as to how virtual simulations are helping to cope up with the new challenging times. Utilizing the networking benefits of the online world, Cognizance 21 has witnessed an exceptional participation of 15,000 plus students from various esteemed universities across 20 plus countries. Cognizance 21 witnessed some of the eminent personalities from around the globe in its lecture series. Wonderful lectures by Professor Robert Aumann, Nobel laureate in economics, Mr. Arun Kumar Singh, former ambassador of India to USA, France, and Israel, Professor Ada Yonath, Nobel laureate in chemistry, Mr. Sudarshan Sharma, former industry lead at Facebook, along with some of the more exhilarating talks to come in the next 3 days by the renowned Indian billionaire entrepreneur, Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Padma Shri awardee, Professor Sankar Kepal, and lastly, the chief scientist at NASA, Dr. James Green. Every year, Cognizance undertakes certain initiatives aimed at addressing social problems, enhancing social welfare, and contributing to sustainable development at large. in order to establish a platform for the unsaid, unshared, and unaware issues of the masses, and to encourage social consciousness regarding safe and effective menstrual hygiene practices among women. First initiative which we undertook was Health and Sanitation Initiative for Girls, also known as HASI. Our second initiative, FIFA, Food Initiative for All, began with the vision of improving child health in low-income areas, aiding them with through proper balanced and nutritious diet. Our third initiative, the Rainbow Crusade, celebrated the Pride Week and conducted a panel discussion to provide a safe space for gender discussions, engaging with different stakeholders to push for a more inclusive society. Our last initiative, Vriddhi, was aimed to pay skill-based learning in students and to help them develop technical expertise and maneuver in various fields. The technical extravaganza of the daylight will be balanced by the splendor of extraordinary performance by Rahul Dua at the end of the event. Finally, all this could have not been possible with the support of various governmental and corporate organizations. I would like to take a moment to thank all the sponsors of Cognizance 2021. Finally, as someone said, the show must go on. This pandemic could not affect the bond that we have been sharing with the student community across the globe. And so here we are, presenting to you the online edition of one of the largest technical extravaganzas of the country. I hope that you will have a wonderful time in the course of next 3 days. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya, for this synopsis of Cognizance 2021. Now, I would like to request Honorable Director of IIT Roorkee, Professor Ajit Kumar Chaturvedi, to bless us with his enlightening words and declare this 3-day fiesta open.
Thank you, Siddhant. Thank you, Nikita. Let me start by congratulating Aditya for presenting very good overview of what lies in store in the 2021 edition of Cognizance. As we all know that whenever we are talking in this current context, our mind invariably veers to COVID-19. Whenever we meet, whenever we do a interaction session, the first thing that comes to mind is the pandemic, ongoing pandemic. The ongoing pandemic, that is COVID-19. Today, I know that a lot of students of IIT Roorkee, of other IITs, of educational institutions, in fact, even from abroad, several students from abroad are joining this session. They are already participating in this inaugural session. And so naturally, I need to talk about a little bit about the upheaval that COVID-19 has caused in the academic calendar worldwide, globally, and also in our institute. But at the same time, it's a matter of great pride and satisfaction that despite being such a huge calamity, such a huge adversary, the academic session is going on almost uninterrupted, even if it is not exactly the way it is meant to be, exactly the way it was designed to be. But with the help of our students, very understanding students, with the help of our faculty who are taking the initiative to completely switch to online mode, just like students, we are able to carry forward this teaching session. We are able to do the basic things required so that our students complete the academic program in time, because that is one of the most important considerations during our academic career, that you are able to complete your academic programs in time, and that is what we are trying to do. But at the same time, I must confess that yes, our students are very, very anxious. Our students feel that they are missing out a good part of their program when they could have been in the campus, when they could have enjoyed the IIT Roorkee campus, when they could have enjoyed the company of their friends, physical company of the friends, when they could have done some collaborative projects physically. especially hardware projects which cannot be done virtually. Theoretical projects or simulation-based projects can, of course, be done over the net in a virtual mode. But when it comes to fabricating something, when it comes to building a prototype or a hardware, actually there is no substitute other than physical interactions and physical hard work. That part we are missing out. We are missing out the laboratory part of the curriculum. In fact, it is getting shifted to the subsequent semesters. So that is definitely a cause for worry. But looks like that this current ongoing huge wave in the country could be the last sort of if I may say, the pandemic may show signs of abating after this big wave. Of course, currently it looks like the peak has not yet come, but once the peak of the current wave comes, then we can hope that in a few months' time there will be more normalcy. Our students will be able to come back to the campus. Those students who are not in the final year, of course, final year students will have to take their career to the next step, going beyond the education that they acquired at IIT Roorkee and at other institutions, because students from all institutions are joining and listening to this now program. Coming to this Cognizance 2021, on one hand, it was very sad, in fact, very, if I may say, very demotivating when last year, the very committed team of students, they put up a huge effort to come up with a very good edition of Cognizance. And at the last moment, about just a few weeks before the event, we had to take the very difficult and sad decision that Cognizance 2020 is cancelled. But looking at the technical program of this year's edition, I'm proud to say that it looks like that as if there was no interruption. In fact, it looks like that our upward trend, the upward curve is going ahead. Last year was just a blip that we can get, and we can continue in the same spirit and in the same zest as we have been doing in Cognizance year after year. And this year's Cognizance is definitely going to break the participation, the kind of innovation, the kind of variety that we are going to see in the projects, in the events, in the interactions, although virtually. So that will bring a very new dimension to Cognizance. And I'm sure that this year's Cognizance, with the help of Aditya and his entire team, will be so befitting that all our students and all the other participants from other institutions will go back with something in hand. They will have something to remember for the rest of their lives. Okay, this is something that I learned from Cognizance 2021 at IIT Roorkee. This is the feeling that I want all our students to go back. And looking at the technical program, I felt that yes, this is very much achievable. And I have no reason to suspect that it will not happen over the next 3 days. On one hand, it has been a sort of a speed breaker, but at the same time, it is also providing a huge opportunity to think afresh, to be more creative, to find new ways to address problems, to find new solutions. And one thing that comes to mind is that just roll back your minds to 1 year back, and we were not as comfortable doing online sessions as we have become now. This is one of the biggest gains that we are getting from this misery. Global misery is there, but yes, that global misery is also giving a huge gain. So many of these things that we could have never imagined that they can be done virtually are actually happening seamlessly, effortlessly, smoothly. In fact, they are happening as if nothing has happened. But at the same time, I can see that there are some things which would never have been possible physically, but they are happening now. So that is even on a bigger scale, that is an opportunity that we must give credit only to this current situation. For example, getting people from all over the world, getting participation from international students, all these things would not have been imagined in a physical Cognizance. Maybe 1 or 2 speakers abroad, they will physically come to the campus. But today, there is no limit. Anybody sitting anywhere on the globe, he can join, he can deliver, he can interact, he can play a game, he can compete, he can be a judge, he can be a motivator, he or she can anything. So this has provided a sort of a new thing, new aspect, which was not there earlier. And third thing is that there are things which are still not possible virtually. can our students think of technology as providing the bridge to the remaining things which are not uh, as we want them to be, as they happen in a physical setting? And there, I think there is hope for devising events, for making competitions, so that our students can think of more ways and means by which those kinds of interactions where we feel that virtual interactions still need to travel a little bit, need to go a little bit further, so that it appears that as if it's a real face-to-face physical interaction. So these are the three broad baskets in which I would try to divide and try to decompose this set of events that are possible. And I'm sure that there will be a good number of events in each of these baskets, whether it's finance, whether it is technology, whether it is IT, whether it is media, all the things are there on the table. So students, enjoy the next 3 days, make the most of it. And you can see that enjoyment has no limits, even if you're not meeting physically. And Aditya, I wish your team all the best, with Professor Gauri Shetty and Professor Barua behind you. I'm sure that you will not be lacking any kind of support. The institute is with you. And I wish Cognizance 2021 to be bigger than all other Cognizances, and to set a benchmark Cognizance 2020 will find difficult to beat. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Director, sir. Your words will continue to inspire us. I would now like to invite the Associate Dean of Student Welfare, Professor Anil Kumar Gaurishetty, to share with us a few kind words. Please, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And a very good afternoon to one and all present here. Thank you so much, Professor Chaturvedi, for your blessings and for your continuous support to the Cognizance team. As an Associate Students Welfare, looking after students' activities, I extend all participants a very warm welcome to IIT Roorkee, and a hearty applause to the organizing team of Cognizance 2021 for their relentless efforts for the success this technical extravaganza will assuredly see. In this 3-day technical extravaganza, witnessing a vigorous competition among the country's brightest intellects to put forth ideas that can transform the elusive realities, which is the theme of this Cognizance. And the motto of Cognizance has always been to address the nation's intellectual and technological needs by fostering young minds. This technical extravaganza Cognizance is organized by the students of IIT Roorkee for the last 19 years. And it has risen to great zeniths such that now it is recognized as the second largest technical festival in Asia. This shows that the enthusiasm in our IIT Roorkee students has not dimmed at all. Such festivals are necessary to showcase, evolve, and encourage developments in science and technology right at its origin. They encourage students to discover, create, and innovate. And appreciate Cognizance team for motivating students and promoting creative and scientific thinking in our students. I believe such activities help the students, the future leaders, provide an unparalleled opportunity to prove their mettle and contribute to the fields of innovation. And I'm glad to inform you that in the last 3 to 4 years, the teams of Cognizance have been able to make inroads into the village of Uttarakhand with the help of science and technology. And I'm also glad to inform you that perhaps for the first time, the details of Cognizance events have been shared with all universities and institutions across the world with whom IIT Roorkee has memorandum of understanding. Thanks to the students team and staff of International Relations Office of IIT Roorkee. Let us hope to see the participation from foreign students as well this time. So with this, I wish the team Cognizance all the very best for successful festival. Thanks for your attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. We feel honored to put across this technophilia as a platform to propel small waves of goodwill in order to conceive a bigger and better picture of our gaming discoveries.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. With this, we come to an end of this ceremony, and we are grateful to all the speakers to share their thoughts and express gratitude toward inspiring words. And at the last, like our director said, explore all the events, get maximum from this opportunity, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.